The term transgender has been hijacked by extremists, which delegitimizes legitimate people who suffer with gender dysphoria and need to transition. The true term is transsexual, and it means people who have gender dysphoria to a degree that they need to physically transition to the opposite sex. That is what a true transgender person was back in the day. But the term has been hijacked and now encompasses a myriad of other conditions and genders. Anyone can be transgender just by saying they are, which is problematic. The reason these terms should be separated to differentiate people who are truly transsexual and everyone else is primarily because many of the ridiculous headlines and misinformation about trans people you hear about are transgender people, not transsexuals. Someone who is truly transsexual often isn't vocal about being trans to everyone around them, especially people who don't know. Furthermore, if they don't have any surgery, they would not be okay with changing in front of other people. These are people who are not transsexual and give individuals who suffer with gender dysphoria a bad name, and thus the term should be separated. Since the beginning, I've used the term transgender to primarily talk about people who are transsexual. However, I will no longer be using that term as it no longer means what it should. Instead, I will be using the term transsexual to refer to people who have undergone the physical transition to the opposite sex. I think this is the right move to clarify the people we are actually talking about and to separate them from the fringe extremists that give transsexuals a bad name. Let me know how this works for you. Have a great day.